Hi everybody, it's Miss Dawn, and today we're going to talk about more or less. And we're going to use my scale here to determine whether a number or quantity is more or less. And if something is more on the scale, it's going to go down. And if it's less or lighter, the scale is going to go up. So I have this die here, and we're going to roll the die, count the dots, and we're going to put our numerals and our puppies on the scale to see which is more. So I'm going to roll the die, and let's count. 1, 2, 3. Here is my numeral 3, and I have 1, 2, 3 puppies. Okay, I'm going to roll the die again. Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Here's my numeral 4. So far, it looks like 3 might be more than 4, but let's finish counting our puppies to be sure. 1, 2, do you see what's happening? 3, 4. Which is more, 4 or 3? That's right, 4, because the scale went down. Some of my friends already know this because we've worked with the scale before. All right, Miss Dawn's going to roll the die again, and we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where's my 6? There's 6. Can you count 6 puppies with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to roll the die again, and we get 1, 2. 2. Make sure you guys can see it the right way. Let's count our puppies. 1, 2. Which is more, 6 or 2? Let's think. 6. And how do we know that? You're right, because the scale went down where the 6 was. All right. We're going to roll the die again. And we get the numeral, let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the numeral 5. Can you guys count the puppies with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to roll the die again, and we get how many dots? Yes, 1. Here's my numeral 1. I'm going to put our 1 puppy on here. What do you guys notice? Did the scale move at all? No, it did not, because 5 is more than 1. And we could see that because here's 5, here's 1, and the 5 is down further down lower than the 1. It's a rainy day, guys. And I'm sure everybody is just like, that's okay. We can all be tired sometimes. Let's see. Let's do one more. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. There's that 4 again. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is the numeral 6. Let's see what happens. Let's count our puppies. 1, 2. Do you guys see the scale is starting to move? 3, 4, 5, 6. Our scale went down. Which is more, 4 or 6? Let's think. 6. That's right, because the scale went down. When it's more or heavier, the scale goes down. If it's lighter or less, the scale stays up. I had a lot of fun playing that game. Do you guys think you could try to play that game at home? I did give you some die that you could try that with, and you could play it with your cubes. You can play with mommy and dad. You could roll the die, count the dots, and then stack the cubes together and see who has more or less. Who has more or less. And those of you who don't have a die at home or the cubes like my friends that are at school, you guys can do that at home with a spinner or just pull, just be like 10 and 8, you can play the same game at home, even if you don't have a scale or a die. Whoop, there goes my die. I will see you guys soon. I'm very proud of you, and I love and miss you guys very much. Behave yourselves. Bye.